Right now, across the universe, there are things happening that the smartest people alive cannot explain. Not theories, not science fiction. Real signals, real objects, real forces that simply should not be there. Here are 10 of them. Stay until the end because the last one may be the strangest of all. In 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio caught a signal from deep space. It was strong, sharp, and it lasted 72 seconds. The astronomer on duty was so stunned that he circled it on the printout and wrote a single word beside it. Well, it looked almost like a message. And here is the unsettling part. In nearly 50 years of listening, it has never come again. Every single day, the sky flashes. For just a few thousandths of a second, a burst of radio waves arrives from a galaxy billions of light years away, releasing more energy in that blink than our sun gives off in an entire day. Most flash once and vanish forever. A few strangely repeat. We have caught hundreds of them, and we still cannot say for sure what is sending them. About 1,500 light years away sits a star that flickers like nothing we have ever seen. Its light drops suddenly, deeply, and at random, as if something enormous and irregular keeps passing in front of it. Comets, dust, planets, none of them quite fit. For a while, serious scientists wondered aloud if we were looking at a structure built by an alien civilization. The honest truth is, we still do not know. Our entire galaxy is being pulled. Along with thousands of others, the Milky Way is racing at 600 kilometers every second toward a single point in space. Something there with the mass of tens of thousands of galaxies is dragging us in. And the strangest part is this. We cannot see it. It hides behind the dust of our own galaxy, in a region we simply call the zone of avoidance. The oldest light in existence, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, is spread almost perfectly evenly across the whole sky. Almost. In one direction there is a patch that is strangely, stubbornly cold, far larger and colder than it has any right to be. Some think it marks a giant, empty void. Others quietly wonder if it is the fingerprint of something we do not yet understand at all. Now picture the loneliest place that exists. In the direction of the constellation Boots floats a bubble of almost nothing, 300 million light-years wide, nearly empty of galaxies. It is so vast and so barren that if our galaxy sat at its center, we might not have discovered other galaxies even existed until the last century. We still cannot fully explain how something so empty came to be. Look closely at any galaxy and the numbers simply break. Galaxies spin so fast that they should tear themselves apart, yet they hold together, as if bound by an invisible glue. We call that glue dark matter, and it seems to outweigh every star and planet combined. And yet we have never seen it, never touched it, never caught a single piece of it. Most of the universe is missing. It gets stranger still. The universe is not only expanding, it is expanding faster and faster, as though some hidden force were pushing everything apart. We named that force dark energy, and our best measurements say it makes up most of the entire cosmos. We gave it a name and a number. We still have almost no idea what it truly is. Here is a crack that keeps astronomers awake at night. There are two careful ways to measure how fast the universe is growing. One reads the early universe, the other the universe near us. They should agree perfectly. They do not, and the sharper our instruments get, the more they disagree. It may mean we are missing something fundamental about reality itself. And finally, the strangest of all. Some scientists have found hints that distant clusters of galaxies are drifting together in the same direction, towards something far beyond the edge of everything we can ever see. If it is real and it is still fiercely debated, it would mean something is out there, past the visible universe, gently pulling on us all. And we may never be able to see what it is. The universe is full of these quiet impossibilities, waiting just past the edge of what we know. If sitting with that mystery feels good to you, subscribe to Aphelion, and we will keep exploring the strangest corners of the cosmos together. Until then, keep looking up.